Angeles, CA, Orange, CA, Riverside, CA, San Bernardino, CA, and San Diego, CA, beginning at 9:01 p.m. and ending at 11:01 p.m. An ABR alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the ANAHEIM Police Department on April 6, 2025 at 4:45 p.m. Leonardo MEZA was abducted from ANAHEIM, California. Leonardo MEZA is a 9-month-old Hispanic male, standing 1 foot tall, weighing 20 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. Is a 30-year-old Hispanic male, standing 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing 180 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect was last seen driving a Mercedes-Benz AMG, California license plate number 8HJB603. The scene call 911. The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency board period CA, Los Angeles CA, Orange CA, Riverside CA, San Bernardino CA, and San Diego CA, beginning at 9:01 p.m. and ending at 11:01 p.m. An ABR alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the ANAHEIM Police Department. On April 6, 2025, at 4:45 p.m., Leonardo MEZA was abducted from ANAHEIM, California. Leonardo MEZA is a 9-month-old Hispanic male, standing 1 foot tall, weighing 20 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect, Roberto Castillo, is a 30-year-old Hispanic male, standing 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing 180 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect was last seen driving a tan Mercedes-Benz AMG, with California license plate number 8HJB603. If seen, call 911.
It's all